cabin, rapping finish line. They already know what's up, don't play with him. Give me mine. Try to tell them that I was the one, I gave him plenty. I'm true. Look at me, I'm shining like a light for my nigga, my rich bro. I just brought the water to the hood so we can talk. I can't even say how much I'm getting for a show. On the bros, what they do, that ain't my business. It's a yeah, that when I'm riding like my business. I'm fucking diggas. Just got off the phone with D, told I don't got no limits. I'm a superstar, still be in the trenches. I can't ride with none of these buses, man. I swear to God, I'm different.